Have you ever wondered if a simple number could change your life? What if I told you that on December 21st, there are 7 numbers that hold the power to bring you luck? Stay with me, because today, we're going to uncover these magical digits and how they can guide you towards success. Believe me, this isn't just a coincidence. These numbers are connected to the universe in ways we can't always explain. Imagine the possibilities if you start embracing these numbers. They can open doors, shift your energy, and bring in opportunities you never thought possible. Get ready for a journey that will change your perspective and bring a spark of luck into your life. I promise, by the end of this video, you'll feel like you've just unlocked a secret to good fortune. So, grab your pen and paper, because what I'm about to share is something you won't want to forget. Let's start with the number 7, one of the most powerful digits in numerology. It's a number that symbolizes spiritual growth and deep insight. This number brings clarity when you need it most, making it an essential one to focus on December 21st. If you've been facing a tough decision or seeking answers, this is your sign that the universe is ready to reveal what you've been waiting for. 7 is also known for its connection to luck, which means this number could bring a surge of positive energy into your life on this powerful day. Think about it, 7 days a week, 7 wonders of the world, this number is everywhere. It's no coincidence that it's considered a lucky number in so many cultures. Pay attention to it on December 21st, because it might just lead you to your next big breakthrough. The number 3 is another number you'll want to keep an eye on. It's all about creativity, self-expression, and joy. When this number shows up in your life, it's a sign that it's time to embrace your artistic side and go after what brings you true happiness. December 21st is a perfect time to tap into that creative energy, whether it's starting a new project, learning a new skill, or simply enjoying the beauty around you. 3 is the number of abundance and good vibes, so when it comes around, expect things to fall into place in ways you may not even anticipate. It's a number that encourages you to dream big and follow your passions without hesitation. On this day, it might be just the push you need to take the first step towards something new. If you've been waiting for the right moment to make a change, 3 is your sign that the time has come. Now, let's talk about the number 1. This number is all about new beginnings, leadership, and independence. If you've been feeling stuck or uncertain about where you're headed, this is your sign to take charge of your own destiny. December 21st, under the influence of number 1, is the perfect time to start fresh, set new goals, and take the reins of your life. This number empowers you to stand tall and be the leader of your own story. Whether it's in your personal life or your career, number 1 reminds you that you have everything you need to succeed. Don't wait for opportunities to come to you, go out and create them. This is the day to trust yourself and your instincts, knowing that you are capable of achieving greatness. If you've been waiting for the universe to tell you go, number 1 is that green light. The number 8 is next, and it's all about material success, wealth, and power. When this number enters your life, it brings a sense of balance between the material world and your inner strength. On December 21st, this number can help you manifest your financial dreams. If you've been working hard toward a goal and feeling like you've hit a wall, number 8 is the cosmic push you need to break through. 8 symbolizes abundance, and with its energy, you can attract the resources you need to turn your dreams into reality. Whether it's money, opportunities, or connections, this number has the power to bring you what you've been striving for. It's a sign that the universe is aligning to bring you closer to your goals. If you're ready to take your financial situation to the next level, number 8 is here to guide you. Moving on to the number 5. This number is all about change, freedom, and adventure. If you've been feeling like it's time for a new chapter in your life, number 5 is here to support you. December 21st is a day when you can expect exciting transformations to unfold. Whether it's a change in your career, your relationships, or even a shift in your personal mindset, number 5 encourages you to embrace the unknown with courage and confidence. It's a reminder that life is full of endless possibilities, and sometimes, the best thing you can do is step outside of your comfort zone. Don't be afraid to take risks and try something new. This is the number that gives you the green light to do so. Let go of fear and trust that the changes happening are for your highest good. Get ready to embark on an adventure that could completely transform your life. Let's not forget about the number 4, which is all about stability, structure, and building strong foundations. This number reminds you that success doesn't come overnight, it's the result of hard work and dedication. On December 21st, this number will help you solidify your plans and lay the groundwork for your future. If you've been dreaming big but unsure of how to bring those dreams to life, number 4 is your signal to start taking practical steps toward achieving them. It's a number that supports long-term growth and encourages you to build a solid base for whatever you're working on. Whether it's your career, a relationship, or a personal goal, number 4 brings the energy you need to turn your vision into something real. Trust in the process and know that with consistency, you can achieve anything. It's time to lay down the foundation for your success. The number 9 brings a sense of completion and spiritual awareness. It's the number of endings and new beginnings, of clearing away what no longer serves you to make room for what's coming next. December 21st is the perfect day to let go of any negative energy or old patterns that are holding you back. This number encourages you to embrace closure and move forward with a sense of peace and purpose. If you've been feeling overwhelmed by past experiences or emotional baggage, number 9 offers you the opportunity to heal and move on. It's a reminder that you're always evolving, and it's okay to release the past in order to create space for your future. Trust that when one chapter ends, a new and better one is about to begin. On December 21st, number 9 invites you to shed old skin and step into a new version of yourself. Now, let's talk about the importance of combining these numbers. Each one has a unique energy, but when they come together, they can create something even more powerful. Imagine having the luck of 7, the creativity of 3, the leadership of 1, the abundance of 8, the freedom of 5, the stability of 4, and the spiritual wisdom of 9 all aligning in one perfect moment. December 21st is a day when these energies can harmonize, giving you the opportunity to achieve what you've always wanted. It's a day to trust in the magic of numbers and use them to guide you toward success. No matter where you are in life, these 7 numbers can serve as a blueprint for creating the future you desire. Be open to the possibilities and let the universe work its magic. So, how can you use these numbers to bring luck into your life? Start by paying attention to them throughout the day. Maybe you'll notice that you keep seeing 7s, or you'll find that your thoughts align with the energy of number 3. Whatever it is, trust that the universe is trying to communicate with you. Keep these numbers in mind when you make decisions, set intentions, or take action. If you're drawn to a particular number, take it as a sign that it holds something important for you. Remember, the universe speaks to us in mysterious ways, and numbers are one of its most powerful tools. Trust your instincts and let these numbers lead you to new opportunities. Don't be afraid to embrace the energy they bring. As we approach the end of this video, I want to remind you that luck isn't just about chance, it's about aligning yourself with the right energy at the right time. December 21st is a powerful moment to tap into these energies and use them to manifest your dreams. Whether you're looking for success in your career, abundance in your finances, or simply a little extra luck, these 7 numbers can help guide you in the right direction. Trust the process and know that you are in control of your own destiny. The universe is always supporting you, and with the right mindset, you can achieve anything. Let these numbers be your guide as you step into a new chapter of your life. As we wrap up, I encourage you to embrace the magic of numbers and the powerful energy they bring. Remember to keep these 7 numbers in mind on December 21st and see how they show up in your life. Pay attention to any signs or synchronicities that might be pointing you in the right direction. Trust that the universe has a plan for you, and these numbers are part of that plan. I'm excited to hear how these numbers impact your life, so be sure to share your experiences with me in the comments below. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you found this video helpful and inspiring, make sure to give it a thumbs up. I'll be sharing more tips, insights, and spiritual guidance to help you live your best life. Your support means the world to me, and together, we can create a community of positivity and growth. If you're ready to dive deeper into the world of numbers, luck, and manifestation, you won't want to miss what's coming next. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Your journey to success starts with a single step, and that step could be right here, right now. By subscribing, you're taking that step with me, and together, we'll unlock the secrets to a life filled with abundance and happiness. I'm so grateful for each one of you, and I can't wait to continue this journey with you. Let's make December 21st a day of transformation, luck, and new beginnings. The universe is waiting for you to take action. Thank you for watching, and remember, anything is possible when you align yourself with the right energy. Trust these numbers, trust the process, and trust yourself. I believe in you, and I know that great things are coming your way. Stay tuned for more, and keep shining your light. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Which number resonated with you the most? Have you experienced any luck or synchronicities related to these numbers before? Let's chat and inspire each other. Remember, this is just the beginning, there's so much more to explore together. Until next time, stay positive, stay motivated, and keep believing in your power. The universe has amazing things in store for you. Let's make magic happen.